Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today I will be showing you how to save a video from Facebook. These steps are incredibly simple to follow. First, locate the video you wish to download, then click on the top right corner on three dots and copy the link. Open Google Chrome. And navigate to fbdown.net. Paste the copied link into the provided field and click Download. You will see two options for downloading: normal quality and high quality. Choose your preference, and your video will be prepared for download. That's how simple it is to save the video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.